Welcome to the 2025 Adelaide Rally, the biggest tarmac rally in the Southern Hemisphere. 3 days, dozens of stages, and everything from historic icons to modern supercars tearing through Adelaide and the surrounding hills. It's not all racing. With multiple categories, anyone from pro drivers to everyday enthusiasts can experience real closed road rally stages. And this year, thanks to Peter Page Hyundai, we're joining the official Hyundai brand tour in our Circuit XL race car for the full 3-day adventure. We feel a little bit out of place next to all the supercars, but our little noise machine is up for the challenge. I've put a second seat in for Lily, who will be navigating for me, and I've softened the suspension as much as I can. These race cars are definitely not sprung for the road. Leaving Parc Ferme to start the rally, it's very weird driving my race car on the road. We have to do a lot of driving on the street between the stages. I was able to get a 3-day permit for the car to be able to drive it on the street, otherwise this car is not road registered.
Never thought I'd ever be stuck in traffic in my race car.
I know. What? This is ridiculous.
After being stuck in traffic for what felt like forever, we finally made it to stage 1. But we can't drive it fast because there's already been an accident. 0.9 of a kilometre into the first stage. Everybody's okay, but if you're planning on doing the rally, just chill out. You don't need to be doing stuff like that on day 1, especially on the first stage. And basically the first corner. Now we finally made it up to stage 2 and we can finally drive the rally for real. Let's go! One of the challenges for us is trying not to speed. Because we're in a brand tour, not a competition group, we are speed limited to 100 kilometers an hour. It doesn't sound like a lot, but for roads that are normally limited to 60 and corners that are normally signed for 20, it's actually pretty decent. The XL is also slow enough you can spend a decent amount of time at full throttle. Even still, we still need to be really careful because this car doesn't really have a speedo anymore. There's a GPS thing on the dash, but it's about 3 seconds delayed, so I'm always waiting for Lily to kind of tell me off for speeding. Now we finished stage 2, we've hit our first rest stop.
Oh my god! That was good. Oh. I know it's a bit of a shock at the start, but...
Yeah, and it was so slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. So excited.
It's only a brief stop, and then we're very quickly back on the road again and lining up for stage 3. stage 4. Each day had a long main event stage. The main stage is the one that gets featured on the broadcast, and this is that stage for today.
Hyundai's 247, that's Gordon Morrison behind the wheel of his i30N Performance. So really nice to see that one in all of its glory. Nice white colour, not the performance blue that we've become accustomed to. This must have been this is a great addition, I should say. The XL leading the Hyundai i20N, just going through the S's. And that is a regular in XL competition, as is the driver in this one, because I believe that is Matt Tatani directly behind.
Well, just, if you don't believe you can have a good day out under 100 kilometres an hour, you watch that little XL just whizzing down through the corkscrew, having a ball.
Matt Tatani was the car directly behind Dusty Media, Mr. Dusty as he's known as, doing all of his social content. He's out there with Maisie Place this afternoon.
Now for the lunch stop. At the lunch stop, we decided to ditch our helmets. The comms just were not coming through clear enough and I couldn't hear what was coming. So we decided it was probably actually safer that I could hear the nav notes and also then potentially durabilities test our skulls against the roll cage instead of wearing a helmet and then flying off the cliff because I didn't hear the triple caution.
Who actually races in the South Australian Formula V Championship. So great to have him part of the rally for the very first time. And this is a car that I'm used to seeing in the South Australian Motor Racing Championship, a Hyundai XL, being driven by Cameron Quinn, who's a regular in the XL series here in South Australia. So a couple of racing drivers taking to the streets of Adelaide for the Shannon's Adelaide Rally this year. That's cool.
And if you've never seen a Hyundai XL race, it's like 30 cars forced into about 10 square meters space.
Yep.
Just inseparable from each other. It is very, very close racing, and of course a great nursery formula for a lot of guys.
Yeah.
Started out as budget motorsport. I'm not sure whether that actually worked, because they do put a lot of time and effort and money into them now.
The rest of the day has basically consisted of us doing the morning stages again, but backwards. So that is the first day of the Adelaide Rally done. It was a nice introduction into the event, a few nice sweeping stages, driving through the hills. I wonder what tomorrow will bring. So much water in here, dude. Yeah, if it's not down, you can't fucking see.
Oh, why'd we do this again? Like, what was the point?
Because it's fun, Lily. We're having fun.
Are we?